Materials for railing of stairs and balcony. When it comes to railing materials for stairs and balconies, several options are available, each with its unique qualities. Here's a detailed look at some popular materials. Wooden railings. 1. Natural aesthetic. Wood offers a warm, natural look that can complement various architectural styles. 2. Versatility. Wood can be stained or painted to match different decor styles and can be crafted into various designs. 3. Durability. With proper maintenance, wood railings can last for many years. 4. Maintenance. Wood requires regular maintenance to prevent warping, rotting, or damage from pests. Metal railings. 1. Durability. Metal railings are strong and durable, able to withstand harsh weather conditions. 2. Modern look. Metal railings can provide a sleek, modern aesthetic that suits contemporary designs. 3. Design flexibility. Metal can be crafted into intricate designs, from simple and minimalist to ornate and decorative. 4. Maintenance. Metal railings may require occasional polishing to prevent rust or corrosion. Types of metal. 1. Stainless steel. Known for its strength, corrosion resistance, and modern look. 2. Aluminum. Lightweight, corrosion resistant, and suitable for modern and minimalist designs. 3. Wrought iron. A traditional choice, offering strength, durability, and ornate designs. Glass railings. 1. Contemporary look. Glass railings provide a sleek, modern aesthetic and unobstructed views. 2. Safety. Glass railings are designed to be safe and secure, often framed in metal for added strength. 3. Maintenance. Glass railings require regular cleaning to maintain their clarity and aesthetic appeal. 4. Design flexibility. Glass can be combined with various materials, such as metal or wood, to create unique designs. Cable railings. 1. Modern design. Cable railings feature horizontal or vertical cables, offering a minimalist and modern look. 2. Unobstructed views. 3. Low maintenance. Cable railings are relatively low maintenance, requiring occasional cleaning and inspection. 4. Design flexibility. Cables can be combined with various materials, such as metal or wood, to create unique designs. PVC or vinyl railings. 1. Durability. PVC or vinyl railings are resistant to weathering, rot, and insect damage. 2. Low maintenance. PVC railings require minimal maintenance, as they are resistant to fading, cracking, and warping. 3. Cost-effective. PVC railings can be a cost-effective option compared to other materials. 4. Design limitations. Ultimately, the choice of material depends on the desired aesthetic, level of maintenance, and safety requirements.